Hungry, which is why he made that sound.
Very
Come on,
cool.
back up. They can jump.
There's literally one right there.
Oh my god!
Oh, this is great.
Sunny. Hi, buddy.
What is that sound he made?
That is a growl. That is a don't mess with me kind of growl.
I thought we were gonna ride with him.
No, he's closing up, but he's gonna let us look around.
Holy crap,
Baby gators are this way.
You want to get close and have him make that sound again?
No, I said he's closed.
Oh my god. Hi. You want to make that sound again? Make that sound again. Oh my god. Oh.
Hey, whatever you do, do not stay close to the
Then there's a walkway here. I don't think he's supposed to be on the rock. He could jump over the fence and eat you in one snap.
When they jump over the fence at night,
He could if he
Oh
was
my
hungry.
god, look at this guy.
massive.
he's like, yeah, I'm too fat to move.
Jace, you should try to pet him.
Don't
I'm
even
kidding,
say
I'm
that.
kidding, I'm kidding, I'm kidding. Please don't ever pet an alligator. Oh my god, honey, you're pretty. There's a blue heron out there. I do want to see some babies.
Y'all are.
Don't say that to them. Haven't you ever heard of crocodile tears? You're going to make them cry. Oh, they're gorgeous. They're dinosaurs, baby. Lucinda, don't do that.
You already made one mad.
I know. I wish I had got that growling on video.
Wait, you did?
I said I wish I did. Oh, they're babies. Hi, guys.
Hi. Mom, one's frozen over there.
What's he doing?
He's going,
He's got his mouth open. He's like,
Where is he? Oh my gosh, he's so cute.
He's just got his mouth open. He's like, hey. Hey, what's up? You didn't see him there, did you?
Which, the babies? Yeah, I did.
He's frozen.
They're little babies.
Yeah, they are.
The big ones are terrifying.
I mean, they're scary, but.
Which one?
that one out there.
Pretty big.
This one, that one out there is bigger than this one here.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. That'd be massive.
Oh my god.
Snakes? Oh.
Look, another one's got his mouth open over there. What's up with him and having there? Dude, there's a dog, get right there.
No, that's a huron.
Whatever.
A duck, that's a huron.
They're moving through the water.
I wonder if they ever try to go for them.
I'm sure they do. They have to.
Dude, this guy's gorgeous. Stick your hand in and pet him. I'm recording, don't say F you. Oh my god, he's gorgeous.
Hi, buddy.
He looks like a Benny whenever he sleeps, you know? He looks like that. You know how whenever Benny sleeps and he goes all forward? He looks like that.
They're so beautiful. They look almost not real, you know?
Yeah, they don't.
Because it's so slow moving.
Wait, what?
Oh, he's sleeping.
Mom, do they, would the gators try to eat that on the sit?
Because I didn't want to sit.
But why don't you want to sit?
Make him growl. I'm just kidding, don't make him growl. That was the growler, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god, Johnny.
He's so
Respond to me.
Daddy, if I drop my phone, would you go get it for me? Thank you. Look how big his eyes are with this one over here.
Dude, quit getting so close. You're scaring me.
I know, I'm kind of scaring me too.
I think we're supposed to stay on the pathway.
Probably. I think you're right.
Like how the pathway was in.
Put him back. It's trash, dude.
Pathway.
Pathway. Dude, these are big guys, and it's a low
And they could
fence.
jump. Pathway, come on.
You're not the bus.
Yeah, but she cares about you. She wants to see you alive. Look at this guy lying on his side on the rock. He's so cute.
And they're gonna jump over. See, they're all moving, ready to jump over.
They see little boy. Want to eat little boy.
And he's eyeing us. He's eyeing us like whenever Benny sees that we have food out of the corner of his eye.
Don't say food. Let's get food.
You gonna go over here?
Oh my God,
I bet
buddy.
one of them jumps in the water right now.
They're so beautiful.
What if there's one under the water just falling?
Yeah, what if there's one?
There's one right over there.
Oh my God, this is so cool.
You can't even see them. They blend in so well.
Well, yeah. Can you imagine being out in the bayou and just wandering around?
Oh, that guy's massive, bro.
Don't put your hand over. What if they jump up?
Dude.
Oh my God.
Massive.
They are dinosaurs. Oops. Oh, he's gorgeous. Jeez. Oh my God, there's tons. This is awesome.
There could literally be a crocodile under here.
Yeah, literally. Don't drop anything and stick your fingers through.
Are you
Here would be a reptile garden. Like,
Are you making jokes over there?
Yeah,
Is
but
that-
in reptile gardens, they're in their cages. They're not like
Right there.
they're not
Oh, yeah.
gonna jump out of the glass and attack us in reptile
And this
gardens,
is
you know?
chain link fence between
Right.
us and these things that can tear us apart.
Yeah, and could easily ravage this chain link fence.
And this is actually a natural habitat, so.
Yeah.
and I find it funny they've done stuff like that.
What happened there? That's awesome.
Little chicken wire, fix that.
That's awesome.
That's terrifying.
Oh, this is so cool. God, that guy's big.
Do not drop your phone.
I know. Bye,
Because
phone.
that phone is gone forever.
Ooh, can you imagine the splash? Jeez, they'd get all over that.
They'd come over here so fast. Look, there's one right there.
Wait, when they
He likes you, Lucy.
wait, Mom, wouldn't all the
He's coming.
I like you, Lucy. I'm hungry and I like you a lot.
He's like, will you feed me? I guess you can feed him with, there's pellets you can buy.
He's like, I'll come check you out.
Oh my, he's scaring me, dude.
He's like, feed me?
He's eyeballing me.
Feed me?
Oh my God, he's gonna jump up and attack us.
He's moving really slowly.
JC, stop it. Oh my God, Jace.
Distracted him.
Oh my God.
Scared.
They're not ugly. They're beautiful.
I think
Dude, that one is
us.
so close.
You can reach out and touch him.
Yeah, you should totally reach out and touch it, Lucy.
Yeah, totally.
Dude,
Look, he's so happy. He's napping and he's smiling.
It's totally. Oh God, they're gorgeous.
he's like, yep.
He's like, I got an itch.
Wow, that is so cool.
I wonder how they feel about being watched. Why do they smile like that? What the
I
heck?
think it's almost like just kind of a panting way for them or something, you
They're
know?
just frozen though. They don't even blink or
Well, they would just wait for something to pass by, and then they use all that energy to attack.
Where's Growler?
Growler's over here. Oh, Growler jumped off. Growler's looking for Jace.
Growler's coming.
Is that him?
Which one is he?
It's like, Jason, come by.
God, that's so crazy. Oh my God.
Like,
Don't do that, Johnny. Stop it. You're freaking me out.
dude, the bird hasn't moved either. What the heck? Why are they?
If
Why
the,
is nothing moving?
if the bird moves, it's going to be dinner.
Oh, it's moving.
It's like,
Dude, it moved like that. It's trying to move so slowly so nobody knows it's there.
and it tries to look like.
Oh my God, there's one coming right up on the water, or right up next to us here.
Where?
Oh, the bird is flying.
The bird's like, bye.
Yeah, you scared the bird, Daddy.
The bird's like, peace out, man.
Oh my gosh, they're so crazy.
Dad,
Are they swimming in their poop?
What?
No, it's all just, it's swamp. It's like algae and plants, and it's just swamp.
The water is
But that's what swamp is.
It doesn't move around that much, so the algae builds up.
It looks like, you know that like that foam that they use in like preschool rooms? It looks like that.
Sup, Pop?
I love it when they move around. That's creepy.
I know. Little swimming logs. Yeah, don't ever do that again.
That's the same as throwing rocks. You'll be happy.
He's on you.
I know. I just want to get a picture of his hand right there.
He's gonna get you.
Look at his hand.
He's got you in his sights.
He's getting ready to move, Mom.
Don't do that!
A little jumpy.
Oh my gosh. I'm right next to like this
Dude, that's why they invented Zoom. Come on.
500-pound alligator.
He's a good looking boy. He's a good looking.
Oh my god, that's crazy. Ah! Doesn't even faze him.
He's like, I'll come check you out.
I'll come play.
Foot.
You guys have toys? Ooh, you guys are toys. Oh, he's moving fast. Well, faster than the rest of them. God, so stealthy. That is insane.
Oh my god, he's gonna come up.
Oh my god.
His legs are like high.
Stop it, Jace. Jeez. I'm gonna end up dropping my phone in there and Daddy's gonna have to get it.
Nope.
So you see, here's what they do. Like if there's prey right on the end, they lunge up. Their tail thrusts them up and lunge, and then they pull you back into the water and turn you over and over and over.
That'd be so fun.
Oh yeah, no,
Especially
let's try
in
it, Luce.
Stagnant water.
Oh yeah, totes. Let's try it.
Yeah.
It'll be the last
Look,
thing you
one's using
smell.
the other as a pillow.
Oh, where are you going? Oh my god, where are you doing?
He's coming up.
Holy crap, I'm scooting back.
Why?
I'm scared. Because he's right in front of me.
I'm not gonna die today.
Look at him. He just wants
He's
to.
gonna lunge up. He looks like Benny. Oh my gosh, they bear him very close to him.
Yeah, Benny, you look just like this alligator here.
What's he
He
eating?
found something to eat.
What are you eating?
He found a little food.
He looks like a pinata.
You guys are so crazy. Jace, get your hand off the fence.
Hi. He's like, I'll check you out.
Oh my god. That's crazy.
Ah!
Stop it! Alright, let's get out of the guy's hair. He wants to go home. Stop it, Jace!
Let's get out of this guy's
I'm gonna pee a little.
That was a terrible joke. You are terrible at making
That was awesome.